Talesong 33. The sound of my voice. I hear the voice that shakes my soul. Notes of life, both dark and whole. Memories hum, old songs return. Pain and love in every turn. I follow melodies through streets and rain, echoes of loss, echoes of pain. Life's hard lessons, whispered in tune, songs like sunlight, songs like moon. I sing, I cry, I watch and wait, hopes and fears entwine with fate. Every note tells a story untold, every chord a life to hold. I listen close, I feel, I learn, music heals wounds that burn. Voice guides me, steady, free, sound of life, sound of me. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.